Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your Fujifilm model and current firmware version. This ensures compatibility. Once done, fully charge the battery and insert a freshly formatted SD card so the camera won't lose power mid-update. Make sure you download the exact firmware file for your model to your computer and extract it if it's in a zip. This creates the correct DAT file. Now connect the SD card to your computer and copy the DAT file to the card's root, not inside any folder. With the SD card in place, power the camera off, then power it on while avoiding any menus that could interrupt the process. Next, go to Menu, choose Setup, then Firmware, and select Update. The camera verifies the file and shows progress. You must not remove the battery, open the memory card slot, or press unrelated buttons. Interrupting power can brick the unit. The camera will automatically reboot when done. Allow several minutes for file verification and installation to complete. After the camera reboots, verify the firmware version in menu right arrow setup right arrow version to confirm success. This step proves the update applied correctly. If the update fails or the camera won't boot, power off, remove and reformat the SD card in the camera, recopy a freshly downloaded firmware file, and repeat the update procedure. One key troubleshooting tip: if the camera is unresponsive, try a hard reset only after battery removal for several minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.